nostalgia.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna unbox something fun and unexpected. So it's a card game I picked up on AliExpress called Good Face Bad Face, and this only costed me $3.38. So I had to check it out and see if it's really good. So the packaging is pretty compact, and right off the bat I'm impressed. So inside the box, it comes with a deck of cards, a rulebook, sticker, and a couple of other instructions. Like, it has a really cool feeling to the cards. So I'm assuming it's gonna be water resistant, and for $3, I didn't have to expect this level of quality. And yeah, this is really fun to play. Around 12 people can play this game. It's more like a mind game, basically. You need to predict the cards. But if you guys want to know how to play this game and maybe a couple of instructions on how it's done, leave a comment and I can make a video on that as well. So catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment.